When you get the GoHighLevel theme customizer, you actually presented with something like this. So once you enable the service, you have the read conversation count that is automatically enabled. That's there. The second thing is that you've got the dashboard customization. You can customize your dashboard. You're going to come back to that. You have the logo customization. You can customize your login page, of course, your loader customization that comes all together in that. So we're going to start with the dashboard customization. It comes with something like this. And if you have a couple of themes, you can just choose and start customizing from there. So I'm just going to choose like something. I can choose something like, I don't know, this, and boom. So we have this. And there are a couple of things that you could do. So look at this. So if I have opportunities, I can call it opportunities for me. And I could say, yep, I can now change the opportunities for me if I want it to come directly under the dashboard. So I'm going to dash under the dashboard. It's now coming directly under the dashboard, so I can carry menu items around. I can change the name. I can change the icons. I can even change the way custom menu links appear. If I add a custom menu link and I don't want it to be down there, I can carry it right up here. I can add buttons here. So the buttons that are usually at the top of your HighLevel, I can decide to add a new one. I'm going to call it button. There's a tooltip button. I can say it should go to an external link. It could be a pop-up. It could be an onboarding tool item. It could go to any site inside HighLevels. I'm just going to take it to the custom Launchpad, for example, and I'm just going to put this. I'm not going to put any text and just save. I could also restrict all of these changes to just some sub accounts. Just add sub accounts, say, hey, exclude the sub accounts, don't count them in, and it's not going to work there. There are a couple of more actions that you can perform. You can go around and check it. We've really given some good customizations. And once you're done with all of this, you can just save, and yep, it has finished reloading, and you can see the buttons. This button that says take me there, and it takes you to the business profile. We sent it to the Launchpad and it takes you there, and you can see opportunities for me just after the dashboard, how we did it, and it has changed from opportunities to opportunities for me. So you can do, and then the dashboard has also changed to be the color that we chose and stuff like that. You can decide to even go for more further customization by changing colors and all of that. It all depends on you. It's all really depends on you, and yeah, feel free to explore. Bye.